That's all charged up. Well, there you go, Tom. Got it running. Why don't you go burn up some gas? We need to get new gas in that thing. Well, it's taken a while, but I'm finally doing it. I'm building a blacksmithing forge here on the property. I'm gonna put a little awning right here for all my tools and the forge. Got to dig some holes for my foundation. Well, that's a good stopping point for tonight. Do you want to go fishing?
Wait, we can do that now?
Yeah.
Do it, go, go, go. Oh, it's warm out.
Of your child.
Up there. Fast. The same
Oh, look at that little shad work. Whoa, I got one. Woo. Oh, he popped off again. Oh, right there. Look at this. Woo.
It feels moist of my shoe, I'll tell you that.
Well, that was pretty good. I mean, we spent about an hour there, and I think we hooked like 8 or 9 pike. See that, Tommy? What's that?
It's a grouse.
Hunting season's a couple months away still, though.
Leave me alone. Uh-oh.
Oh, the starter. Well, guys, it's about 9 o'clock. I think it's time to get to bed. We got a busy day tomorrow. Got a lot of things to build. I'll see you then. Well, good morning, Tom. We've got milk and cereal. Or would you rather drive into town and go to a restaurant?
I lost one. Strawberry rhubarb. That's really good.
All right, not too shabby.
Satisfying.
Oh, we're behind the truck delivering our gravel. Another truck's coming with 3-inch rock. I'm leveling out the ground and getting the footings ready, and I realize I made a bit of a mistake. In the wintertime, when the snow and ice builds up on the roof, big chunks will slide off. And I don't want that to land on the roof of my forge and destroy it. So I think I need to scoot the forge a couple feet closer to the road. I'm not quite sure how far from the roof I need to put the forge, so I'm gonna do a little test.